How to download YouTube app on MacBook. Hello everyone, I am Bishakha and welcome to our channel Create, Login and Delete. Let's get right into the tutorial and open App Store first on your MacBook. Search for YouTube there and you won't be able to see the official YouTube application there. Close the App Store and open Google Chrome on your Mac. If you do not have Chrome on your Mac, open the default browser of Apple, that is Safari, and search for Google Chrome there. Click on the first link and you will see the download button. Click on that and Google Chrome will be downloaded on your Mac. Launch the app once downloaded. I already have Chrome on my Mac, so I will simply open it and search for youtube.com. Click on the three dots on the top right of your screen. You will see an option for Install YouTube. Click on that and on the pop-up that appears, click on Install. And now as you can see, I have the YouTube application on my dock. If it does not appear on the dock, go to the Launchpad and you will see the YouTube application there too. If you find this tutorial helpful, do subscribe to our channel. Thank you for staying with us until the end.